Hey, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Deepanita. Today's video I will discuss about probiotics. Probiotics has a very important role in our body. That's why I chose these topics for this video. Let's get started. Firstly, we will know what is probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms and that have health benefits when consumed. Probiotics, which are usually beneficial bacteria and provide all sorts of powerful benefits for our body and brain. Probiotics are often called good or helpful bacteria because they help keep our gut healthy. This slide, different types of probiotics we can see. Three classified probiotics are lactobacilli, bifidobacteria, and other species. Yes, probiotics are very beneficial for our health. Probiotics has a very important role in our body. It has a role in our immune boosting and decrease our inflammation and also may improve our mental illness and food allergy protection, digestive health, healthy skin, lowering blood pressure, and as well as it is also beneficial for the diabetic treatment. Probiotic food groups. Firstly, yogurt. Yogurt is the one of the best sources of probiotics, which are friendly bacteria that can improve our health. And it is a made from milk that has been fermented by friendly bacteria, mainly lactic acid bacteria and bifidobacteria. Eating yogurt is associated with many health benefits, including improved our bone health, and it is also beneficial for people with high blood pressure. In children, yogurt may reduce the diarrhea caused by the antibiotics, and it can even help relieve the symptoms of IBS. Additionally, yogurt may be suitable for the people with lactose intolerance. This is because the bacteria turn some of the lactose into lactic acid, which is also why the yogurt tastes sour. Is kefir. Kefir is also a fermented probiotic milk drink and it is made by adding kefir grains to cow's or goat's milk. Kefir grains are not cereal grains but rather cultures or lactic acid bacteria and yeast that look a bit like cauliflower. The word kefir allegedly comes from the Turkish word keif, which means the feeling good after eating. And it may improve our bone health. Kefir also helps in the digestive problems, protect against infections. Traditional buttermilk. And it is a very specially simply and leftover liquid food and liquid from the making butter. Only these versions contain probiotics and it is sometimes called grandma's probiotics. And traditional buttermilk is um, mainly consumed in Nepal, India, Pakistan, and it is very low in very beneficial and low in fat and calories, but contains several important vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, B2, calcium, phosphorus. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is finely chopped, finely shredded cabbage that has been fermented by lactic acid bacteria, and it is one of the oldest traditional foods and is popular in many countries, especially in Europe. Sauerkraut is often used on the top of the sausages as a side dish, and it is a sour, tasty, salty taste, and can be stored for the months in an airtight container. And in addition to its probiotic qualities, the sauerkraut is rich in fiber as well as vitamin C, B12, K, and it is also high in sodium, contains iron and manganese. Sauerkraut also contain antioxidant lutein and zeaxanthin, which improved by very importance in our for our tempeh. Tempeh is a fermented soybean product. It forms a firm patty whose flavor is described as a nutty and earthy or similar to the mushroom. And tempeh is originally from the Indonesia, but has popular worldwide as a high protein meat suitable. And this fermentation process actually has some surprising effect on this nutritional profile. And soybean are typically high in phytic acid. Phytic acid is a complant compound that implies the absorption of the mineral like iron, zinc, magnesium. And however, fermentation lowers the amount of the phytic acid, and which may increase the amount of the minerals our body and is able to absorb from tempeh. And it is also a very good source of vitamin B12. Kimchi. Kimchi is a fermented spicy Korean side dish, and cabbage is usually is the main ingredient, but it can be also made from the vegetables. And kimchi is flavored with a mix of seasonings such as red chili peppers, flakes, garlic, ginger, salt, etc. And kimchi is very high in nutritious and vitamin K, B2, iron also. Types of cheese. Although most of times the cheese are fermented, it does not means that all of them are contain probiotics, and so that's why it is very that's I mean therefore it is very important to look for live and active culture on the food levels. The cheese is very nutritious and very good source of the proteins, and it is also very important, rich in high in important vitamins and minerals including calcium, vitamin B12, phosphorus, selenium. And moderate consumption of the dairy product such as cheese may even lower the risk of the heart disease and osteoporosis. Here in this slide, um, you can see some types of cheeses which are probiotics. Red rice in West Bengal, we are say this panta bhat, and it is a very popular from the centuries recipe, and it is a very involved in the fermenting cooked rice overnight in water, and phytic acid reacts with the water, and it is a previous slide I was say you that the phytic acid is a very bad component from for our health, for our gut health. And for this reason the soaked rice is very good for our health, and it is rich in iron, potassium and low in sodium, and which is very good for our heart patients. Vegetable. Next, vegetable pickle. Pickles are very great source of the healthy probiotics bacteria, and which can improve our digestive health, and as well as it contains a high amount of vitamin K, and which is very essential nutrient for our blood clotting. But in but keep in mind that pickles are also contained in the high sodium content, and it can be harmful for our heart patients, because it can increase our blood pressure. Some another probiotic foods: natto, kombucha, miso. These all types of foods are fermented from the soybean. In this slide, there are many very healthy probiotic foods there are, but I will show you some of those, but there are many more others.